In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable forms in Gmail. First, we start by opening Google Forms. On your web browser, type in forms.google.com and hit enter. You will see a clean, user-friendly interface welcoming you to Google Forms. This is where the magic begins. Google Forms is a powerful tool that allows you to create surveys, quizzes, and forms for various purposes. Having access to this service makes it easy to gather information from others efficiently. You'll appreciate how straightforward this platform is. Next, click on the blank form option. This is prominently displayed on the main page. By selecting this option, you are essentially creating a new form from scratch. A blank canvas allows you to customize your form exactly how you want. It's an exciting moment because you can tailor the questions and design to suit your specific needs. This step is crucial as it lays the foundation for all the information you will collect later. Now, enter a title for your form. At the top of the page, you will see a space labeled Untitled Form. Click there and type in a title that reflects the purpose of your form. For instance, if you're creating a feedback form, you might title it Customer Feedback. A clear title helps your respondents understand what the form is about right away. This little detail ensures clarity and encourages more responses. After that, it's time to add your questions. You will notice a section below the title where you can start typing your questions. Click on the area that says Untitled Question to begin. You can choose from various question types, including multiple choice, short answer, and checkboxes. Make sure to think about what information you need from your respondents. Crafting clear and concise questions is key to obtaining useful feedback. This step is important because the quality of your questions directly affects the quality of the responses you receive. Once you've added all your questions, it's time to save the form. Look for the Save option, which is often automatic, but it's good practice to check. You should see a message indicating that your form has been saved. This step ensures that all your hard work is not lost and that your changes are securely stored. Knowing that your form is saved gives you peace of mind as you move forward. With that, you are now ready to share your form through Gmail. You can click the Send button at the top right corner of the screen. This will give you options to share your form via email, link, or even social media. Sharing through Gmail is particularly effective because it reaches people directly in their inboxes. This can lead to higher response rates as it is a personal and direct approach. To recap, you have learned how to open Google Forms, create a blank form, title it, add your questions, and save it. Each step is designed to ensure that your form is effective and user-friendly. With this knowledge, you can now create forms for any occasion, be it for surveys, event registrations, or feedback collection. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use Google Forms, the more comfortable you will become.